Assalamualaikum warahmatullah. This is Muhammad Kamal, lecturer, Department of Mathematics, Scholarship School and College, Dhanmondi, Dhaka. My dear students, last two classes already we have started from information, data and information, which is statistical part from your maths book. So dear students, inshallah today we will discuss the histogram drawing and how to find the mode from the histogram. And this is our last content in this class, and after completing this part, histogram and mode, and inshallah you can answer any type of questions from chapter 11. Only two remaining parts, which is histogram and mode. So let me know, my dear student, top line of the book, right side, left side and bottom, light quality, sound, is everything okay? Can we start our class formally? There are only 75 students connected with us. My dear students, try to comment and you can share this link to your friends to connect with us. Inshallah within a short time we are going to start our class formally. So in the last class, maximum students have submitted your homework or homework given by using the how to find the frequency distribution table, and congratulations and thanks to all of you those who have submitted successfully, and I have seen all copies, and if someone left, I think you can mention my name again, so inshallah I will review if I missed your copy. So now already you are trying to write, sir, everything is clear, now going on. Okay, my dear student, this is one of the most important class. I think this content you can apply in the class 7 and 8. So I think there how to draw histogram and how to describe the figure and how to find the median mode from the figure. So this is one of the most important classes. So dear students, and try to focus me and don't try to write any kind of irrelevant comments. So first of all, we have choose here. This is the question number 17, data and information, histogram and mode related questions. Draw the histogram from the following frequency table and find the mode approximately. Let me know, this is the class interval and the frequency are given here. Sometimes in your academic book you can see here different number of organized data and unorganized data may be given, but you have to arrange this data as per as question requirement. Sometimes you can see here data given in frequency distribution table, sometimes it may be given in discrete number or discipline number, organized order and unorganized order, but in maximum case you can see in the upper classes the given informations are given in frequency distribution table, but in class 6 and 7 sometimes you may get few numbers like in ascending order, descending order or organized order, disorganized order, different types of number. Then you have to arrange this number in frequency distribution table, and by using this table then you have to draw histogram here. So my dear students, in the question 17, draw the histogram from the following table. So let me know the frequency table given here. I think internet connection is okay. Yes, frequency table given here. If you see this, there are different number like is 30 and 40, 35 and 45, 70. These types of number are given, like these types of obtain mark of 30 students in mathematics or obtain marks of 20 students in mathematics are given below. Then draw the histogram, and in this case and you have to find the frequency distribution table first, then you have to draw the histogram. But in maximum case you can see already histogram is given, then you will draw only the frequency distribution table. Okay, let me know. Another part is here now. In the class interval 11 to 20, number of student is 10. 21 to 30, number of student is 20. and similarly 31 to 40 is 35. Just we can see here frequency table, but in the frequency table we see there are two types of frequency table. The class interval here 11 to 20, give attention here. This is called x-axis. If you write here 0, this one 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, let's review one important point. You start here 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30 and 31, 32. So dear students, first one 11 to 20, like 11 to 20 is the first unit. 11 to 20, we can consider this is the up to 10, this is the up to 10, but this one 21 to 30, 21 to 30, this is up to 20. But let me review this one. This is the first class interval 11 to 20, and this is 20 to 30. But what we see here, 20 to 21, the one smallest unit is remaining blank. This is not with the first class interval, also not with the second class interval. So this is the blank part. If we see here, first class interval is 11 to 20 and second one started from 21 to 30, which indicate you the one unit is outside the figure. Each figure will be bar diagram. This is the bar diagram. This one will not be histogram. Histogram basically the one line diagram or bar diagram is connected with another one. Like this one is connected with another one. There is no blank in between them. But here we see, if we started 11 to 20, then 21 to 30, the one unit is a blank here. So that's why this is not continuous class interval. Give attention. If we see here 11 to 20, another one is 20 to 30 or 20 to 30. This indicates you here the first one last and second one first. When the both are same, then this one will be continuous class interval. So now you have to make this class interval into continuous class interval. Without continuous class interval, you cannot complete this figure properly. So now I think internet problem is okay. Yes. Sorry. Now this is our solution part here. Now we will find the continuous class interval. The first one, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So now first one, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seven, eight, nine, okay. Class interval 1 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. This is the first one. For given class interval, this is for continuous class interval. This data is for continuous class interval. So now this is the solution. Class interval, and so class interval given here. This is the my dear student, okay, give your attention. This is the 11 to 21, the first one, 11, 20, and then 21, 30, 31, 31 to 40, 41, 50, 51, 60, 61, 70, 71, 80, 81, 90, 91, 100. And this is the frequency 10, 20, 35, 10, 20, 35, then again 20, 15, 10, 8, 5 and 3. So this is not continuous. Now we will make this one continuous class interval. Continuous class interval or continuous class interval. How to find the continuous class interval? So this is the first one we can consider here. Lowest value, the reduced 0.5, and add highest value 0.5. This one will be 10.5 to 20.5. Again, just reduce 0.5 from the lowest value and add 0.5 with the highest value. And so this one will be 20.5 to 30.5. This is the 30.5 to 40.5. So this is now 30, 40.5 to 50.5. This is the 50.5 to 60.5, 60.5 to 70.5, 80.5 to, sorry, this is the 70. Now 70.5 to 80.5, then 80.5 to 90.5, 90.5 to 100.5. So dear students, I think internet is okay. Yes sir, internet connection is okay. Sorry again. Okay sir. My dear students, I think everything okay. Just first part we have done here, continuous class interval. Once again, if you see here, this is the highest value is not connected with here lowest value. This indicate you here this is discontinuous, because there is no connection in between two class interval, and you have to make connection in between two class interval. Successive to connecting to successive class interval means you have to find the continuous class interval. So now this is the continuous class interval, because the highest number of the previous classes is the lowest number of the next classes. Like here, highest number of the previous classes is equal to lowest number of the next classes. Like here, 80.5, 80.5, 90.5, 90.5. This indicate where 90.5 is stopped in the second class interval will start from exact that point. This is called the continuous class interval. So now my dear students, let me review this one again. And now we will draw histogram by using this continuous class interval. Already we see here the frequency in the y-axis, in the x-axis which is the vertical line, x-axis indicate you here class interval, and this vertical line y-axis indicate you the frequency, and the horizontal line x-axis indicate you the class interval. So class interval is started from, first let me write here the frequency. Which one is the highest frequency? 35. That means you have to place up to 35 in y-axis, because this is the last number, maximum number is 35. So we can write here 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. We can take here 1 unit more. I think it's too much smallest. Okay. This is the 5, 5, and here 5 is the 10, 15, 5, 10, 15, and this is the 20, 25, this 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 and 35. So you can write here 5, this is 10, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 and 35. Right here, this one will be frequency in the y-axis. But class interval is started from 10.52 and completed at 100.5. So you have to arrange 10.5 to 100.5. So we can write here, this is the 10.5 and 20.5 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. So we can write here, this is the x-axis. So my dear students, this is the x-axis and this is the y-axis. The first number is 10.5. So this is 10.5 and this is 20.5. Next one 30.5, 40.5 and this is 50.5. This is the 50.5, 60.5, 70.5, 80.5, 90.5 and then finally 100.5. So I think this is the measures in the same length. Now consider this one, the first continuous class interval. Please date B1 sir, please reduce the syllabus. Okay, dear students, the first continuous class in 10.5 to 20.5 up to 10. So 10.5 to 20.5 up to 10. So this continuous class interval up to 10. The first one, this is up to 10. This one will be up to this continuous class interval up to 10. The second one 20.5 to 30.5 up to 20. The second one will be up to 20. The second continuous class interval will be up to 20. The next one 30.5 to 40.5, this is 35. Then 30.5 to 40.5, this is the maximum one, which is up to 35. So this is the first we will mark here 35 line. Okay, and then by using pencil you can erase this one, and this is up to 35. This is up to 35. Up to 35. And then next one 50 to next one 40 to 50.5, this is 20. And the next one is the next one up to 20. This line is up to 20. Then next one 50 to 60, 50.5 to 60, 50.5 to 60, this is up to 15. So here we can write here up to, and this is up to 50. The next one 60.5 to 70.5 up to 10. 60.5 to 70.5, this one is up to 10. This is up to 10. Then now next one 70.5 to 80.5 up to 8. 70.5 to 80.5 up to 8. This is the 5 and this is 8. So up to 8 approximately, in between 5 to 8. Just now take here is up to 8. Just lowest part of 10. This is up to 8. The next one is up to 8. Now 80 to 90, this one is 5, and 85 to 90, this one is 5, and this is 5, this is 5, and finally 90.5 to 100.5, this is up to 3. So this is up to 3. Yes, this is up to 3, and this is our final histogram. And this broken part indicate, and this broken part you can write here, this is the broken part indicate up to 10.5. So my dear students, you can write here figure, histogram of the given frequency table. Frequency table. I think this is our first part, the frequency table. And now you have to find the mode from this frequency table. My dear students, please do comments. Is it clear to you or not? Please do comment. This is the frequency table. Now second part, and you have to explain the figure. Without explanation, you will not get here the full marks. Dear friends, B2, please give your attendance, sir. My dear students, please do comments. Is it clear to you? Okay. Now you have to explain this figure. The second part, explanation of the figure, histogram, construction. Considering this is the first word here. Dear students, let me review here. Here the 5 unit in y-axis, like 0 to 5 or 5 to 10. this is the part and this part both almost in the same in measures. But we consider here 0 to 5 and this one is 10 to 20. So this same unit here we count here 5 smallest unit and the same measures we count here 10 unit. That's why in x-axis we can consider here length of two square like this. If you see here smallest square box in the graph paper, 1 square length, 2 square length, 3 square length, 4 square length, 5 square length. 2 square length equal 1 unit. That's why this is smallest unit indicate you have 10 unit. So 5 square length equal 10 unit. That means each square length will be 1 unit. So now here 2 square length considering here as 1 unit in x-axis. Here length of 2 square, length of 2 squares, x-axis equal 1 unit and length of each square in y axis equal 1 unit and broken part indicates up to 10.5. Dear students, this is called the broken part. Broken part indicates here up to 10.5. So there are 5 square length is 10 unit. That means 2 square length will be 1 unit. And here same always each square length equals to 1 unit. So this is our final histogram. Now second part. Second part is the find the mode. My dear students, just give me 5 minutes. So inshallah within 5 minutes we will complete this mode. And if we do not complete this one today, and we have to draw the figure in the next classes, which is really difficult. So just give me 5 minutes. Within 5 minutes we will complete the mode here. So let me know, do you have any problem in here histogram drawing? Dear students, please do comments. Is it clear to you or not? Dear students, please let me know, is it clear to you or not? We are going to start here mode. Dear students, okay sir, within short time inshallah we will complete here. Okay, clear? And this is the standard form, so you can write this histogram construction in each figure in the same format. Now another part is mode. This is the mode part here. Mode. Let me explain the figure. We see here the 30 to 40, this class interval show you the maximum frequency because this one is up to 35. That means we all know the mode indicate you the class interval where the frequency is the maximum number. In class 6 we saw here the number which is repeated maximum time, this is called the mode. But here in class 7 you have to identify which one is mode here. The mode indicate from the histogram we see here, mode lie in the class interval 30.5 to 40.5. So mode always lie in this class interval. And how you can find the exact value of the mode? This indicate you have to find the top point of the mode class. This is the top point of the mode class, and this is the top right point of the previous class, and this is the top left point of the next class. You have to find the 4 point. Here students, this is the top corner of the mode class, top left corner of the mode class, and then identify top left corner of the next class, top right corner of the previous class. Now add them. The first one, add this one, first line, and now add this one, this top corner too, and this is their point of intersection or intersecting point. Now point of intersection you can mention as A or B. It's no problem. Now draw a perpendicular line from the point of intersection, and this one will be, draw a perpendicular line, and this is your mode point. Now find the mode here. Mode is like this one, you can find it. So both are the same. You can write here 40.5 plus 30.5. Do add here 0, 1, 1, and this is the 70. Now 71 divided by 2, 3, 6, 1, 1, 5, 0, and then 1, 0.0, so 5, 0, 10. This is the your mode class 30.5, and here this is the indicative here 30.5, which is the mode here. My dear students, let me explain first. You have to add top right corner of the mode class to the top right corner of the previous class, top left corner of the mode class to top left corner of the next class, and the two lines intersect at the point A, which is called point of intersection. And then you have to draw a perpendicular line from the point of intersection to your x-axis, that is the axis you placed here, continuous class interval, which intersect you at the point 30.5. So you can write here this is 35.5, this point, and this is your answer. Approximate value of mode is 30.5. Now how you can write this one, and you have to explain. I think it is clear to you. Okay, my dear student, just 2 minutes. I think inshallah our almost work is done. Now we will explain here from the histogram. We see mode class lie in 30.5 to 40.5 plus inter 1. Now drawing top right of of class interval top right of class interval 30.5 to 40.5 with top right top right of class interval and the previous one 20.5 to 30.5 and just joining this point, this one with this one, top right of the mode class and top right of the previous, again join top left of class interval 30.5 to 40.5 with top left of class interval 20.5 40.5 to 50.5 line intersects at the point A. Now going to be line A to the x-axis which intersect at 35.5. So approximate value. So is 35.5 approximately. My dear student, and this is our answer 35.5. So dear students, I think if you do not write this one properly, you will not get here the full marks, and this is one of the most important part here, how to explain. And this point A, just we added here top right side, and this is the top right side, top left side of the next one, top left side of the class interval where the mode is lying, and then identify the intersecting points and draw a perpendicular line. The perpendicular line intersect at the point 30.5 to 30.5. So this is our approximate value of the mode. So my dear students, already our class time is gone. So if you have any questions, I will discuss as far as you demand, or we are going to leave our class within a short time. My dear students, let me know if you have any questions or not. In the comment section, I will answer as far as you demand. Sir, এগুলো কি লিখতে আছেন মাথার উপর দিয়ে গেছে স্যার, প্রবলেম স্যার একটু এক্সপ্লেইন করেন স্যার। ওকে স্যার, sir, thank you sir, safe stay home sir. Dear students, okay, I think maximum students in the comment section you have written sir, explain again. Just give me 1 minute, my dear students. I think all of you know this line is the maximum line, because here maximum frequency is 35. So we all know frequency, the maximum frequency indicate you here the mode of the given data always lie inside in this class interval 30 to 40, because this class interval in the maximum. But this is the first one, you can identify where the mode will lie, and this is the 30 to 40. But which one is the exact value of mode? This will completely depend. This is the top right corner. Add with this top right corner, and this is the top left corner. Add with this top left corner. Then these two lines intersect at the point A. Now draw a perpendicular line here, and this perpendicular line intersect 30.5, and so that's why 30.5 will be mode here. Like you can add this one, left one plus right one divided by, we divided here too because this is the same value, this is the same frequency, and this is same frequency, that's why this is in the middle position. But if you see here like this one, like similarly, this is the top one, the next one, here next one, then you have to add this one with this one, and here you have to add this one. So now this is not the middle position because this next column is not similar with the previous one, so this may be the left side here. That's why this is the approximate value. This is not the middle position. This is the few side right of the middle position. That's why you write here approximate value. Always this is our mode. So my dear students, thank you very much to enjoy my classes. Hopefully see again with you in the next classes. Inshallah, next class we will discuss the creative question, which is the last one. I think question number question number 20 is the last class we will discuss inshallah, which is a creative question by using arithmetic mean, median and the frequency table, then the histogram drawing. So wish you all the best. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Don't forget to subscribe. Triangular Kamal.